Here we go. There goes Coleman. Here comes Cletus. There you go. Who wants beer? There you go. All right, here we go. Here, Lopez, Joel Grannis. Grannis behind the stop, and there goes Joel Grannis. 678. Look at the speed. 220 miles an hour. I believe that's got to be his fastest run by a lot. Whoa, baby. Here we go, Kerr and Atkins. Oh, and Jonathan Atkins rolled through the beam. That's the official rule. Miles Kerr with an upset 784. Man, oh man, wow. Here we go, Ryan Peters and Sean Madden. There they go, props for Madden. Oh man, it's gonna be Sean Madden, 758. We'll go to the stick shift final. Will be Miles Kerr, will be Joel Grant. Joel goes right in. Starlight made the big nose to Miles. Oh, Joel Grant's got very loose. It's going to be Miles Kerr, 782. I'll tell you what, if Joel Grant doesn't wiggle that car, cakewalk.
I cannot make this up. I think that's the fourth TX2K where Miles takes out Joel Grannis.
I believe it is. Well,
about 3.5 cylinders.
Well, oh, he
Broke
took
the
tree.
beams, and that's good.
There you go. He's the winner. Again, under by rule, you don't have to go away to the finish line. You must stage under power.
It sounds to me like Miles Kerr just won $10,000 for the stick class. It sounds to me like an Acura Integra driven by Miles Kerr just won $10,000 for winning stick shift. Holy